how to use the Desmos scientific calculator. So it has a basic calculator function, like say I wanted to find 15 times 6. It's going to tell me right there it's 90. There's other functions I can add to it, which you're not really going to get into these in middle school. But you can find the mean of something. So say right here I had 15, 6, 8. Now I wanted to find the mean. Well, first I type in mean apparently. Say I wanted to find the mean of 15, 8, 78, 1. It would tell me. Say I wanted to enter an equation, y equals 5x plus 3. It puts it right here. Say I wanted to deal with exponents, so 2 squared is 4. Or say I have a different exponent, say it's not 2. You can hit that AB. That'll save you some time. Say there's an inequality. Y is less than 8x minus 9. And it graphs it for you. Anytime I want to start anew, I just poke the empty space underneath the last problem that I had. You can square root things, so say I want to find the square root of 81. You can use pi. You can add letters, and you can do other functions as well. These are stats that you probably aren't going to use. There's miscellaneous things. I haven't really explored this that much over there on that side because I don't teach that level. And if you need to undo something, just hit the X on some of these. You can clear out what you did. What I like about Desmos is that you have all of your steps over here in this bar. That way you can look at each individual step and go, oh, I did that wrong. And you can go back and fix it right then and there. And that's the basics of Desmos.